Booking a cruise with Royal Caribbean online is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Visit the Royal Caribbean website. Go to www.royalcaribbean.com. Step 2. Search for cruises. Click on Cruises in the main navigation menu. Use the search tool to enter your desired destination, departure port, or specific cruise date. Step 3. Choose your cruise. Browse through the available cruise options based on your search. Click on a cruise that interests you to view detailed information, including itineraries, ship details, and pricing. Step 4. Select your stateroom. After choosing a cruise, you'll be prompted to select a stateroom category. Review the available options and their prices, then click Select for your preferred stateroom.
Royal Caribbean offers a room bidding option called Royal Up. This process allows you to submit an offer for an upgraded stateroom before your cruise. You can bid on available rooms, and if your offer is accepted, you will receive the upgraded accommodation for your sailing. Be aware that you can still be upgraded within days of your cruise.
Step 5. Add extras. You may have the option to add packages such as drink packages, dining, excursions, or travel insurance. Select any extras you want and proceed. Step 6. Provide guest information. Enter the required guest information, including names, ages, and contact details. If you have a Crown and Anchor Society membership, make sure to enter your membership number for potential benefits. Step 7. Review your booking. Review all details of your cruise, including the itinerary, stateroom selection, and any extras. Ensure everything is correct before moving to the next step. Step 8. Payment. Enter your payment information to complete the booking. You can typically pay in full or choose a deposit option depending on the cruise policy. Step 9. Confirmation. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation email with your booking details. Log into your Royal Caribbean account to manage your reservation or make additional arrangements. Step 10. Prepare for your cruise. As your sailing date approaches, check your email for updates on check-in procedures, excursions, and onboard experiences. Complete your online check-in 45 days prior to your departure date to expedite the boarding process upon arrival. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to booking a fantastic cruise with Royal Caribbean. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for our next video, Inside Utopia of the Seas.